Click on the link below to get price. The DJI Mini 3 Pro with DJI RC is a remarkable entry in the drone market, combining advanced technology with user-friendly features. One of the standout aspects of this drone is its impressive camera capabilities. With a 48MP sensor and 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, the Mini 3 Pro captures stunning, high-resolution images and smooth video footage, making it perfect for both amateur photographers and seasoned professionals. The image quality is exceptional, with vibrant colors and impressive dynamic range, allowing for striking aerial shots. The design of the Mini 3 Pro is sleek and compact, weighing in at just under 250 grams. This lightweight construction not only enhances portability but also allows users to fly the drone in various locations without needing to register it in many countries. The foldable design makes it easy to pack into a backpack or carry-on, ensuring you can take it wherever your adventures lead. One of the most significant improvements over its predecessors is the battery life. The Mini 3 Pro boasts an impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes, giving users ample time to explore and capture their surroundings. The intelligent flight modes, such as Master Shots and Focus Track, provide enhanced usability, enabling even beginners to create stunning cinematic shots with minimal effort. The DJI RC controller enhances the overall experience with its built-in display, eliminating the need for a separate smartphone. The interface is intuitive, allowing for seamless control and real-time monitoring of your footage. The range is also noteworthy, with a transmission distance of up to 12 kilometers, ensuring you can explore vast areas without losing connection. While the price point is higher than some budget options, the quality and features of the Mini 3 Pro justify the investment. For anyone looking to elevate their aerial photography and videography, the DJI Mini 3 Pro with DJI RC is a fantastic choice that balances performance, portability, and ease of use.